Yeah, you know, I was on that gets greater later vibe. And later is now. You know? This is different. It's foot on next season, baby.
Phantom Beats.
I woke up from a dream and seen my mama smile. No more selling drugs, I gotta make her proud. Now I hit the lab and go craft in the kitchen. Came a long way from dirty hallways, no pot to piss in. Sleeping on the floor, 5 grams of raw. 3 dimes of loud fiends tapping at the door. They got cameras in the elevators. Hold up, they trying to watch the floor you go to. I slowed up, invested in the brand, which is more like my lifestyle. Pipe down, Lord got his head on right now. Bands in my PayPal, features on deck. Sold out shows, these niggas thinking I'm lit. I got it out the mud, can't nobody tell me shit. They say the Lord acting different, I'm just making hits. Touring overseas, Marvin with the fleas. Breaking bread with my fam, everything is on me, I want it all. Big house with the foreign cars. Blink views, you could beat the stars. Barbecues in the backyard, I want it all. Provide and protect for the fam, Lord, that's what it's for. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Now it's drop tops, Ray-Bans to block the sun. Always bout peace, but still shot for some guns. Inf Marfleet, I just marking my life. Bullin' in the park with my kids and my wife. Live life to the fullest. Penthouse suites, sauté steaks, in-house eats. 2 choruses, that's 10,000 each. 150,000 streams, it only been out weeks. Gets greater later, but it's feeling like it's now. Brain overflowing, I gotta jot it down. Now I'm in the lab, used to get it out of town. Re-up off a zip, now we blow it by the pound. Project number 6, license for the grip. Coldest in the booth, hottest on the strip. Wanna hear the true G's, man, DM the Lord. I went from pumping out front to copping my own store. I want it all. Big house with the foreign cars.